Bay, Tewatt Power Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in R&D, manufacturing, selling and rental of portable air compressors and providing after-sales service. Tewatt established a 30,000 square meters molding and standard manufacturing factory in Wuhan Economic Development Zone in China with an output capacity of 1,500 units of portable air compressor per year. Tewatt has high-quality designing, management, and manufacturing teams, as well as advanced testing equipment to provide a durable driving force to the projects of mining, hydroelectrical power, railway, highway, ship repair, oil and gas field, DDH drilling, water well, municipal construction, etc. Tewatt is portable air compressor equipped with international top-class and extreme humanized intelligent control system. The world-leading Volvo heavy-duty diesel engine and air compressor special motor, excellent performance, American Tewatt screw compressor, and merged with the most advanced fluid pipeline design. Whole process strictly follows the ISO 9001 quality system and ISO 14001 environmental production system. Make Tewatt products has more advantage and competitiveness in the market. Global 100 years professional technical support succeeded to the United States. Tewatt nearly 100 years of professional technology experience. We will offer you professional, precise, and reliable service. Site open doors, either for service and maintenance. Fixed battery protection full board, able to service the upper parts. Tewatt's cutting-edge intelligent control system, the most advanced fluid pipeline design, as well as the world top-class engine, make Tewatt air pressure save 10% to 15% fuel consumption than other brands with the same discharge pressure and flow. Tewatt is shouldering the obligatory environmental responsibility. As one of the world-famous engineering equipment makers, Tewatt bears a clear responsibility on reducing the environmental impact of their products. All of the waste liquid, including engine oil, engine coolant, compressor oil, are gathered through special tube and drained out from the back of the machine. Lockable skylight above the air tank. No need to remove the soundproof housing or set a panel when repairing and maintaining the air tank. Largely reduce the service time and maintenance cost. 4-stage fuel filtration system. Enter the engine, avoid damage from poor burning materials. Essential power interior safeguard. Essential power in the data minute to the project, finished with high quality and in shorter time. Supporting by 100 years American technology, the most advanced management and service philosophy, and excellent quality control system, Tewatt will create a durable power guaranteed to every project. Genuine spare parts ensure high efficient and low-cost operation. Tewatt genuine parts are applied to every set of Tewatt air compressors. Only genuine parts can ensure reliable and durable operation, as well as lower the maintenance cost. Strong and high-efficient after-sales service system. Before investing in the China factory, Tewatt already in-depth understood of China customers' needs, established a professional technical services team, helping the user to achieve essential power until safeguard is our service commitment. Currently, in China, Tewatt has established 4 technical service centers in Beijing, Chengdu, Wuhan, and Shenzhen. to provide Chinese customers with reliable, accurate, and efficient service. Insist on the philosophy of serious, pragmatic, and humanity, Tewatt devotes itself to provide worldwide users with excellent service and solution. We know deeply on the requirements of engineering machine using extreme working conditions, such as high temperature, high dust, high cold, and high altitude. We are insist on testing each air compressor before delivery through strict no-load and load performance inspection to ensure the normal operation in all kinds of bad working conditions. Global wisdom, exciting quality. Obey the Tewatt power technology come to limited.